Good morning, students. In this lockdown period, we all are staying at home, taking care of each other's safety and our families as well. Thanks to Sister Principal, Sister Pavitra, who has given us this opportunity to provide you lessons online so that you will not miss your studies. So stay at home and be in touch. Let us start. This video is made for class 7th and the subject is physics. First of all, I will tell you that we are using the same book as you did last year. This is your book, Oxford New Science in Everyday Life. According to the index of this book, your physics chapters are as follows. Chapter 6, Temperature and Heat. Chapter 7, Climate and Adaptation. Chapter 12, Time and Motion. Chapter 13, Electric Current and its Effects. Chapter 14, Wind and Storm. Chapter 15, Light. Today I am going to start with the first one, temperature and heat. As the name indicates, temperature and heat, let us try to find out what is it. Temperature is a very common term which you must have heard in your daily life. But what is it? Let us try to define it in terms of physics. When we measure temperature or when we talk about temperature, we actually mean to say that how much the body is hot. Hot means why a body is hot? Because it contains some amount of heat. So temperature and heat are very closely related, but there is some difference between them. So what is temperature? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body of a place. Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body or of a place. So how will you find the temperature, or how will you find that whether a body is hot or cold? Very simple. You will say we will touch and tell. But is that the correct method to tell whether a body is hot or cold? Let me give you one example. Say 3 persons are sitting in a room. One needs fan. The other one is comfortable without the fan. And the third one needs a cooler. What will you say? They all are sitting in same room in same weather conditions, but they are experiencing different warmth, okay, and different heat they are experiencing. That means it is not same for all. Okay, so to explain it, an activity, I have kept 3 cups over here, and in these 3 cups, let me name them: cup A, cup B and cup C. In cup A, very hot water is there, which I can just touch. In cup C, ice cold water is there. And in cup B, normal tap water. Let me dip my fingers into it. I am dipping my right finger into cup A and left into cup C. Hot water and very cold water. Oh, what happened? Let me dip both in the normal tap water. Now what is happening? Oh my God. My right hand is saying the water is cold and my left hand is saying the water is hot. Both are my hands. Water in the cup is at same temperature, but they both are experiencing something different. What does this show, children? This shows that sense of touch is not a reliable source to find out how much a body is hot. When we say a body is hot, that means it contains some amount of heat, and we have to measure that amount of heat. Okay, and how do we measure it? This method which we are using is not correct. So let us use the another method, and we are using a thermometer to check the temperature. A thermometer measures the temperature correctly. Okay, and thermometer cannot measure the heat. Okay, so although it sounds same, but there is a difference between temperature and heat. Some more differences are also there. Let me tell you that. What is temperature and what is heat, and what is the comparison between them? Temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body or a place. Heat is a form of energy which produces the sensation of hotness or coldness. When I say heat is a form of energy, what do you mean by energy then? Energy is the ability to do some work. Is heat doing some work for us? Yes, it is able to cook food. That is one of the work which it is doing. That is why it is kept in, that is why it is said one form of energy. How this heat energy is different from other forms of energy, like heat energy is different from light energy, electrical energy, sound energy, because it is providing us the sensation of hotness or coldness which other energies are not providing. Let me find out the other differences. Temperature can be measured directly by an instrument called thermometer, whereas heat cannot be measured directly by any instrument. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin. It is denoted by degree K. And the SI unit of heat is Joule. The other common units which you are very well known is degree Celsius. Same is called degree centigrade and it is denoted by degree C. One more unit is Fahrenheit and it is denoted by degree F. So these are two more units of temperature. SI unit of heat is Joule and the other unit of heat is calorie. Very much known to you. How much calorie is burned. You all are very familiar. Okay. So calorie is the other unit of heat. So in this video what we have learned, children? We have done the definition of temperature, the definition of heat. What you have to do is you have to write it in your fair copy. If you don't have fair copy, write it down. No problem. Write definitions of temperature and heat, then write their differences. Okay, see the video carefully. All the differences I have told you. Make 2 columns and write the differences. In next video, I will tell you more about thermometer, its types, and I will explain you how does it work, what is its principle. Thank you. Stay at home, stay safe. All the best.